Hey, looks like we arrived just in time. The movie starts in 10 minutes.
Perfect. I was worried we'd have to wait for the next show.
Same here. So, popcorn first?
Of course. You can't watch a movie without popcorn.
Right. Sweet or salty?
Sweet for me. What about you?
I'll go with salty. Maybe we can share and get both.
Great idea. Oh, and I want a drink too. Do you want something?
Just water, thanks. I'm still full from dinner.
You're missing out. I'll get a soda.
You'll regret it when the movie gets quiet and your drink starts making noise.
Don't worry, I'll sip carefully.
What movie did you finally pick again?
It's The Lost Planet. It's supposed to be an adventure with amazing visuals.
Oh, yeah, I saw the trailer. Lots of action, space scenes, and humor, too.
Exactly. I wanted something fun, not too serious.
Last time we watched that mystery film, you were analyzing every detail.
I can't help it. I love guessing the ending before it happens.
And you were right, by the way.
I know. That's why this time I'm just gonna relax and enjoy the popcorn.
Deal. By the way, do you want to sit in the middle or at the back?
Metal. Better sound and screen view.
Same here. I always avoid the front. It hurts my neck after 10 minutes.
True. I don't know how some people can sit that close.
Okay, here's the popcorn and drinks. Ready?
Yep. Let's go before the lights go down.
You've got the tickets, right?
Oh, no, I think I lost them.
Very funny.
Got them right here. Let's go before the previews start.
Perfect timing. Let's enjoy the movie.
Can't wait.